Look at this! Egg sandwich, 鸡蛋三明治. Can you say it with me? 鸡蛋三明治，鸡蛋三明治，鸡蛋三明治。Egg sandwich. Wow! Let's make one. Mission start. Mission 1. Find the ingredients. Today we need eggs. 鸡蛋. Can you say it with me? 鸡蛋，鸡蛋，鸡蛋。Egg. Bread. 面包，面包，面包，面包。Bread. Sausage. 香肠，香肠，香肠，香肠。Sausage. Mission 1 complete. High five. Siqi Super Chef. Mission 2. Cut the bread. Look, I'm making a square. Cut. 切. Can you say it with me? 切，切，切。Cut. Wow, where did the middle go? It's gone. Look, there's a hole. Hole. 洞，洞，洞，洞。Hole. Can you see it? Mission 2 complete. High five. Siqi Super Chef. Mission 3. Crack the egg. Now, let's cook. Look, this is an electric griddle. 电饼铛. Can you say it with me? 电饼铛，电饼铛，电饼铛。Electric griddle. First, oil. 油，油，油。Oil. Pour the oil. 倒油，倒油，倒油，倒油。Pour the oil. Push the oil. 刷油，刷油，刷油，刷油。Brush the oil. Now, the bread goes on the electric griddle. Bread. 面包，面包，面包，面包。Bread. Oh no, I can't find the egg. Can you help me? Where's the egg? There it is. Thank you. Ready? 1、2、3. Crack the egg. 打鸡蛋，打鸡蛋，打鸡蛋。Pour it in. 倒进去，倒进去，倒进去。Pour it in. Wow, look! The egg stays inside. Listen. Can you make the sound? Mission 3 complete. High five. Siqi Super Chef. Mission 4. Sausage time. What's this? Is it cheese? No. Is it bread? No. It's sausage. 香肠，香肠，香肠，香肠。Sausage. Mission 4 complete. High five. Siqi Super Chef. Mission 5. Put the bread back. What's this? The little bread. Let's put it back. Put. Feng. 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 Put. Put it on. Perfect. Mission 5 complete. High five. Siqi Super Chef. Mission 6. Flip. Is it ready? Should we flip it? Yes? No? Everybody, count with me. 3, 2, 1, flip. Fun, 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 flip. Mission 6 complete. High five. Siqi Super Chef. Mission 7 finished. Wow, look! Egg sandwich. 鸡蛋三明治. Can you say it with me? 鸡蛋三明治. 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 Egg sandwich. Let's cut it. Wow, look inside. So yummy. 真好吃. 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 So yummy. Mission complete. High five. Siqi Super Chef. Today we learned 鸡蛋三明治. 鸡蛋面包香肠切豆电饼铛油倒油刷油放翻 Can you say awesome? Awesome. What should we make next? Pizza, cookies, pancake. Which one do you like? Bye-bye.